Cicadas used to be like the coolest thing to find on a tree. I caught this guy coming out of his shell. Wow, tiny. My gosh, tiny. She's always here, needing to be noticed and loved on. But look at him, he is like just come out and it's hanging on. Tiny. Oh my gosh, you're so rotten. Can you not knock the cicada off? Well, you just did. See his shell he crawled right out of? Tiny. She really gets on my nerves sometimes. Somebody crawled right out of that. Look at his wings. They're very pretty. Like translucent like. Look at them creepy little legs though. He's got some good camouflaging, and look at that mimicry on the top. Doesn't it look like he has some eyes there, like a whole face up on top? A whole like face and mouth. It's really interesting. Oh, tiny. So you can see there's his eyes on the sides, but look at that, like he's mean mugging with the mimicry over there. See that? That'll keep the predators from getting him. Anyway. Kind of cool. Hope he finds his footing.